Okay, so this one is 2017 e-Golf, and it does not come with a remote for garage. I'm tired of pushing this button all the time and leave it in the car. I took my garage opener and I solder. So it depends on your garage opener. So you open the circuit, open this up, and you see the circuit. You will have a battery. So I solder the battery input 12 volts, and I make sure one of the buttons is working to open and close the garage, and I also solder a wire, two wires, to short those two as the momentary switch. So I take them out, and then I put in the fuse box. So this is the way you open the fuse box. To access, all you need to do is to pull it up firmly until it snap out, and then you can take it out. Okay? So that's how you do that. And inside here, for some reason, they have this one that when you turn on the ignition, that one is on. So the power, I put the like 2 amp. I don't put a lot, but I also put another 50 ohm resistor in series so that the current from this doesn't go through the remote too much. And also on my button, the push button that I bought, they also have the ring with the light in it. So I also connect that to the power to the ring. So all we need to do is to plug it in. So make sure it's going tight. And you run the wire all the way through here, and you have to open this up. It's not hard. All you need to do is to lift this one up really firmly. This whole thing come out, and when this thing come out already, I'll show you the picture, but I don't have it right now, but I took the picture. And you lift this one out, this U shape. You lift it out, and then you can remove this part out. Now, this one, I don't want to use it because they have all of these plastic poles around it. This one is the one happen to have nothing. So I use this. So you look, when you turn on the ignition, the light will be on. So when the light is on, I know that the power get to the remote. So I push a button. Turn on the garage, and then you start to learn. So you press it once, twice, and 3 times. Now it's working. Okay? So now we push it back, and it's open. So that's it. It's very simple. And when you open this up, you can fetch the wire through there to the side here, but you have to unscrew one of the screw there. So